Today, I'm introducing your English friend. Enjoy this video.
Hello friends, I am happy inviting you to the 9th episode with AK7DOLL. The topic for discussion here is the basic elements of speaking English. Hello AK7DOLL, are you ready?
Of course.
Good. Please welcome the viewers your way.
Hey guys, it's AK7DOLL TV and I'm doing another collaboration with Mr. Konjaneram English.
Hello AK7DOLL, do
Yes.
you know pronunciation, grammatical strength,
Yes,
fluency
yes,
and vocabulary?
yes.
That means word power.
Okay.
These are the 4 basic elements of speaking English. Okay. Of all these 4, which is the most important one? Can you tell me?
Fluency.
How?
Basically, fluency is like high pace, medium pace, slow pace. Slow pace is like, hello everyone. Today I am going to be making a... No, you should not speak like that. But if you speak high pace, like, hey guys, this is KonjaneramEnglish TV. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm going to also be talking about this. I'm going to be talking about cooking. I might have a panic attack from you listening. Speak at normal pace. That's what's so important about fluency.
Hello, AK7DOLL. Do you know who have been the fastest English speakers in the world?
Second me, but I don't know first.
Okay, I take it now. I take it your way. Fine. Martin Luther King and John F. Kennedy. They have been the fastest speakers in the world.
On NASA Daily, I saw a man who can speak 136 words in 1 minute.
612 words. That's for creating a record. What I mean is speaking naturally. Hello, doll. Do you know the meaning of pronunciation?
It's basically you pronouncing the word. If you're saying listen, T is silent, so it's listen. See, if a word is pronounced like, okay, salmon, you don't say salmon. It is salmon because the L is silent.
Many people say automobile, but the right pronunciation is
Automobile.
Good. Same way you know a lot of things, right? Hello, doll. Do you know the meaning of word power or vocabulary?
I know the meaning of word power. It's basically you using the right word in the right place. Can you give me an example, Mr. Konjaneram English?
I can get an example. You are saying to someone, I have done a mistake. It's incorrect. You cannot say, I have done a mistake. You must say, I have made a mistake. Because making a mistake is the right phrase. It is the established phrase. Also, vocabulary means the words you know. Your word power means all the words that you know. Okay. Baby, I would like to make use of your service for disseminating information on grammatical strength. How is your English grammar?
I think it's decent.
Good. Fine. How can you learn grammar?
By looking at YouTube comment sections, but Google has perfect grammar, so I recommend Google.
What's your suggestion to people who want to learn English?
My suggestion to people who want to learn English is Google can help, okay? But Google can be a little bit of a pickle if you're using your voice. And if you're like way too lazy to even type. I'm the person who types all the time. My mom is like, child, you can search using voice chat, beta. Mother, you don't know how difficult it is to say what you exactly want to see on the TV, okay? Same on the phone. If you say pickle, it'll probably say something else like, okay. Google can be a struggle at times. But I remember like YouTube is also a very nice place to learn English. It's a very popular app. Almost 5 billion people use it. Not almost, actually 5 billion people use it. See, you can look in the comment sections, okay, of like, educational videos using proper grammar. And you can learn from that grammar. And you can go to Google and search, see like, okay, how to say water in British accent, or how to say bottle of water in British accent, and Google will be like bottle of water. So yeah, Google is also really nice.
Good. That was
Thank you so much.
that was simply superb.
Simply superb but long.
Hi, AK7DOLL. I hope we shall have a whole tier.
Alright, this is the end of the session. Hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to my and Mr. Konjaneram English's channel. And see you again. Bye. Hope you enjoy this video. Meet you in my next video. Bye everyone.